Hi, it's Mids from My Life Mids. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I thought I would do an unboxing video, or I guess a haul video. I went to the Traveler's Factory store in Nakameguro, Tokyo. My husband kind of surprised me in a way last minute, and he said, let's go there. So he drove me all the way to Tokyo, and I picked up a bunch of goodies. Fortunately, or maybe unfortunately, all of these items are for gifts, and none of it is for myself, which caused, actually no, I lied, there is one item in here for me. So let's begin. I'm just going to pull things out. Some of these are duplicates, so I won't, actually I'll just show you. It'll be a lot faster. So I bought these refill for a short trip notebooks, and they're the half. You can see there it says 32 pages, so it's the half size. I believe they're regularly 64 page, but I really like these half sizes as it's very light and they're really great for traveling. If you're going on a trip somewhere and you want to keep a notebook, I love these for that reason. But there's 4 of that, and to go with that I purchased these guys right here. Oops. This is the collaboration with the Superior Labor, these Tokyo pouches. So I just bumped the camera there. So these 4, so there's 4 notebooks, and then these 4 I purchased to go with this as a set. This is the Tokyo and the Tokyo pouch. This is in collaboration with the Superior Labor right there. As you can see, it is a gift, so they were kind enough to close off the, or cross off the price tag there, but that is the pouch, and it's hard to see because it's overcast here, but it is in the gray bottom there. I will be sending these out. Next is this item here, and this is just a pencil pouch. Yeah, I like it. It's very nice. It's like a canvas type of material, and it's a nice size. You can see, let me compare it with this one here. You can see you can fit in, for example, let me get some pens here. You can see there, it's, you know, it can fit in your pencils and things like that. So I got that. I stamped a whole bunch. Actually, no, not really. Here I stamped some papers. I want to write a message to the gift recipients for the gifts that I'm doing with the pouch and the notebook. So I just stamped out 4 pieces of paper. They had a paper pad there, and of course I wanted to stamp my life away, but you know, I just wanted to be respectful, and I just took these 4. I thought it was a nice touch to stamp the Traveler's Factory stamp there. Next are just some postcards. I always like to have postcards on hand so that I can send them off whenever I need to. Yeah, it's always nice to have some postcards on hand. This one is a brass safety pin, and I see a lot of these, or I actually have one myself too, but I see a lot of these hanging on the Traveler's Factory notebooks, or Traveler's Company notebooks, like the Midori Traveler's Company notebooks. And so I purchased one I plan to give to my friend. And this one, I think I will post this video after or maybe before, I'm not sure, but I hope she doesn't see this. This is for my friend as a gift for her birthday. It's probably, I think it's actually in May, if I'm not mistaken. So hopefully she doesn't see this, but if she does, happy early birthday. So there's that. It's in the spring, it's a spring edition, so I think it's limited to only this season. I really wanted to get this for myself too, but because I love the pink, but yeah, I spent too much money on Traveler's notebooks lately, and I really need to reevaluate things. So anyways, I purchased this for my friend. This item I purchased for myself. This, I believe, is the sample pack of the leather conditioner. And I feel like, especially like my black regular size traveler's notebook, it's not like cracking or anything. It's not like that dry, but I really wanted to give this a shot. And everything is in Japanese. I wonder if they have like an English. Let me open this up so that you can see. So it comes with this, I guess, balm of some sort, and you can see it right there. This is supposed to be a 5 gram, I believe, a 5 milliliter set. So this is the leather conditioner, and then it comes with just a regular sponge. I'm gonna see if they have English directions, and if they don't, I'm gonna have to ask my husband, or maybe I'll check YouTube. There might be some videos on YouTube. So this is the regular, the 100 ml size is 2,000 yen, which is like about $20, and then there's the bigger size, and then a like a bottle, like a push bottle. And I don't know what oh gosh. So there's no English in here, unfortunately, but I'm sure I could figure it out. Yeah, there's no English, unfortunately, so I'll have to do some research and see how to properly apply the leather balm. I'm going to try it on my black leather traveler's notebook. And because, like I said, it's not like cracking or anything, but it does seem a little dry. When I unboxed the passport size traveler's notebook, the black one, it's so different. It feels really, really good. So I want to see if I could do that with my black. I'm assuming that you use this and you use circular motions and things, but I'm not 100% sure, and I don't want to make a mistake, so I will most likely do a bit of research before I do that. So yes, this 5 milliliter sample size was 500 yen, which is just under $5, so I'm excited to try that out. And then lastly, my husband had this. He was using the coin pouch from Traveler's Company for the longest time, and I did make several posts on Instagram stories where you could see the patina of it, and it was beautiful. And unfortunately he lost it, or someone took it or something. He's misplaced it, and he was so sad. And then he asked me, can you pick one up? Can you pick up another one when you go there? So here is the one in the brown. Called the hand-stitched leather coin case, made in Thailand, Traveler's Factory, and this is in the color brown. I actually asked him if it was a nice case, like did he find it convenient to use, and he said yes, and he really, really misses it, so he asked me to pick up another one. So I'm assuming this is the care information, and comes in a cute canvas bag like the Traveler's notebooks do. And then this is the brown, and I don't remember the brass closure, if it had this Traveler's Factory stamped on the actual button closure with my husband's old one. And then there is the logo, Traveler's Factory. But his patinaed so nicely, and there was even like a line here in the middle, or off to the side, where there was like, I guess, rubbing. This part was a little bit lighter compared to the rest of the body of the wallet, and it was so nice. It patinaed so nicely. But yeah, here is another one, and this is what it looks like. You can put your coins in there. Yeah, my concern was like, how do you get the coins out? But he said it was quite convenient for him to have. He doesn't have I mean, he has just a regular wallet, and he doesn't have a place to put his coins, and so he felt that it was very easy to put the coins in, and if you needed something out, like if it was stuck in there, like you can easily shake it out. And because this is quite firm, it's not flimsy, it's not going to fall over, he said it was quite useful to just do that. For me, I would end up going like this, and I think I would find it frustrating to like dig out change. But he really liked this compact size. It's so nice. I'm happy but sad at the same time because he lost his other one. But this is in the brown. It also comes with like in a camel and in the black leather as well. So that's the last purchase from the Travelers Factory in the Nakameguro store. Just as a little ramble on the side, we went to visit the Starbucks roastery. They opened up a new Starbucks roastery store, or I think it's called Starbucks Reserve, and it's huge. And unfortunately we went, I think it was like on a Friday night or something like that, so the waiting time was 2 to 3 hours. You go there, you get yourself a ticket, and then you come back in approximately 2 to 3 hours. And you know, I couldn't wait, unfortunately, so that's why we ended up going straight to the Travelers Factory. And it was just right before the sakura season, so like there were some flowers in bloom, but not all. But in a way, I'm kind of glad that we missed that, because I'm assuming right now it's extremely crowded there. Just where the Nakameguro River is, it is covered with sakura flowers on either side of the river, and it's extremely beautiful. But anyways, I ramble. That was my haul from the Travelers Factory shop in Nakameguro. I know I said I was kind of hesitant to post it because, you know, I mean, these are not... There's lots of haul videos from the Travelers Factory and Travelers Company, and I just thought it's not really, you know, exciting. But yeah, many people said that they're interested in seeing what I purchased. Let me put this one here. So there's the haul video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I know in the previous ones I asked you if you were interested, and there were comments saying that you were interested in seeing. I always hesitate to film these hauls because there's a lot of haul type of videos online already, and it's not really exciting. You know, people see the same products over and over again, but if you do enjoy these, please do let me know down below. I thought it was nice to show you the leather coin case. Maybe in several months time, if it's patinaed nicely, I can do like an update. I'll ask my husband just to borrow it for a bit so that I can show you like an update of how it's patinaed and how it looks. But that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I will see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.